Good day to all my employers, and I'm sure we are all hoping for better staffing and candidates to work for us. I want to post a job today, so I decided to do a video on how to post a job as an employer. So you are going to follow me step by step on how this will be done. So very simple. I don't want to waste your time, but before I start, I want you to watch this video to the end so that you can know all parts very well. Then also, I want you to subscribe to this channel so that we can give you more notification on Employer Corner. So now the first thing is you log into your JobConnet account like I've did now, and once it is done, then you click on this post here where they wrote post here. So you are going to see post new job. So you click on post new job. Already whatever you want to post, you must have gotten it ready. So okay, this one is saying I don't have employer license. All right, so I'm going to get my license. Okay, so withdraw from wallet credit. All right, I think this one is settled. So let me go back. So where they wrote post here, you click on it, then post new jobs. So now the first one you have on the list is the job title. So I have all what I need to post here. So first go for the job title. So on the WhatsApp, for those companies that want to receive their submission of CV on the WhatsApp, so I'm going to leave a link below of one of the JobConnet section that allows you to generate a WhatsApp link. All you just need is to set up your phone number, the WhatsApp phone number, and the message you want the candidates to send to you. So watch out for that video, or you can just click on the link below this video so that you can get direct access to it. So I'm done with all the requirements that I need to. It's as simple as that. Once I'm done, I've put my logo, the logo I want to use, then I click publish. So once you click publish, it's going to come out live. It's just as simple as that. So, and once this job comes out and people that are qualified can just apply to it. So if you have any question, you can just make your comments on the comment section below, and also you can watch other videos pertaining the JobConnet employers, then so that you can know how to succeed in your staffing and candidate or job seeker or employees hunting. Now I'm done posting a job. Till the next time that I come your way, I want you to subscribe to this channel and stay close to the Employer Corner. Thank you.